Okay, so this is how to withdraw, how to make deposits and withdrawals with Hankotrade. Okay, so Hankotrade is one of the brokers that I think is still a good broker overall for the most point. They still operate, they still run very well. They still are, great with their services, and they're still a great broker to use. I still use Hankotrade. I still have accounts with Hankotrade. I'll use one of my dummy accounts to show you guys an example. There are, their support system is still up and running very well. Hankotrade is on Discord, and honestly, they aren't as Hankotrade personally is not as great as they used to be. I am using Ox Securities primarily right now, but Hankotrade is still a great broker. So let me show you guys how to make these deposits. So you come over here to the deposit. You'll sign up for Hankotrade. Come over here to the deposit side, and then you can do. The only thing that Hankotrade is offering right now is crypto deposits. So if you're using Cash App or Coinbase, it's super simple. You choose the account that you want to make a deposit into, and then you just select the currency type, which you if you're using Cash App, then you would just use Bitcoin, regular Bitcoin. If you're using Coinbase, right, and you have other types of Ethereum, you can do USDC, which is good. They have Tether, ERC20, Dogecoin, Bitcoin Cash. All these are great. Litecoin, regular Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, and they have Ethereum and Tether. So you can pretty much use all these. So you just choose one, go Bitcoin. And then there will be an option for you to scan the QR code, and you just use your phone, scan the QR code. Or if you are on another web address, or you're doing it from your browser, you can copy and then paste the address into wherever you need to paste it into, and Hankotrade will save your deposit, and then when it goes through the blockchain, then Hankotrade will receive it, and then it'll automatically upload to your the account that you deposited it into. Okay, now withdrawals, you come over here and you select. Same thing with deposits. Hankotrade only does crypto withdrawals and deposits. So you would withdraw the amount that you want to withdraw. You say we withdraw $1,000, same thing. Bitcoin. Now from the other end, you would go from either Cash App or Coinbase, and you would go to deposit. You want to or you would go to receive. So you would like say for example we're doing Coinbase, you go to receive on Coinbase, and then you would receive, and then you would change the crypto to Bitcoin, and then it'll give you the QR code to scan, and it'll also give you the wallet address at the bottom. So you can copy and paste the wallet address and put it into here, press withdraw, and then it'll just make you do the two-step verification, and you will be able to withdraw your profit.